If you've ever felt like you're building something quietly, but then the world thinks you've disappeared, please come closer, because this series is for you. Welcome to the Portfolio Notes series. So if this is your first time tuning into my channel, my name is Nicole Letaru, and I'm so happy and excited to have you here. And to all my returning subscribers who have been watching my content from day one, you guys mean the world to me. I'm so happy and excited to have you all tune in. So before I even dive in further, first off, I just want to wish you guys a happy new year, because this is like my first official video that I'm posting on here on YouTube ever since the previous year got over. So my last video on here was from last year. So happy new year, guys, officially. Yay! So welcome to the Portfolio Notes series. So this series is something very personal to me, because it involves everything that has been happening behind the scenes in my life, and it's actually one of the reasons why I've not been so active on here in terms of just giving you guys a lot of relocation content like I used to. So this series is everything revolving around building behind the scenes, building systems, and building things that are always not really shown on camera, because personally I'm a private person, and if you check me out even on my other YouTube channel, I'll leave it over here. It's mainly, of course, for vlogging, but then I'm still a little bit shy. But this series, I'm actually now just trying to push myself out of my comfort zone and come up with something different. However, that doesn't mean that I'll not be obviously continuing to share with you guys relocation opportunities, whether you want to move abroad through studies or through work, through volunteerships, whatever the case may be. Those will still continue, of course, coming up. So I'll keep bringing you that content, but this is just a new segment that I'm starting over for the Portfolio Notes series, where I'm just going to be sharing with you guys basically my life behind the scenes of a portfolio lifestyle. So you might be wondering, what exactly is a portfolio career? So basically, a portfolio career means you building different sources of income with your skill sets, and that is exactly what I've actually been doing with a lot of my clients behind the scenes. So I haven't really been so active here on YouTube sharing that content because of everything that I've been doing behind the scenes. That is exactly what a portfolio means. Behind the scenes, my life, of course, revolves wearing so many different hats, like multiple hats at the same time. So currently we have an event that we are trying to organize. It's actually the very first time that I'm organizing a conference, and I didn't imagine or think I would ever find myself organizing a conference, like a whole freaking conference. So I've recently, of course, in the past attended so many different conferences as an attendee, as a speaker, but I've not really been a part of that process when it comes to organizing conferences. So big ups to all the people or all the event organizers out there. I give you guys your hearts, because honestly, now that I'm going through it, I'm super stressed. It's stretchy, but at the same time, it's also an amazing experience, because now it really pushes you out of your comfort zone, and you're able to learn things that you normally wouldn't learn if you were still in the confines. So regarding the conference, I'm definitely going to share more updates on that as time goes by, because it's something that's going to be happening here in Uganda, and so I'll definitely get to share more details. So me putting up this series is going to be a combination of vlogging, which my other YouTube channel, obviously over here, that I've already spoken to you guys about, Nicole Letaru, or Nicole's Diary, has been all about travels in different parts of the world. But now with this one, I'm also going to incorporate it a bit in this series, just to show you guys. So if I'm not maybe in front of the camera here talking to you guys in a chill mode, then probably I'm in the field, working from there. So I basically just want to take you guys through the behind the scenes of how my portfolio lifestyle looks like. And you know, if it's something that you're interested in, you are multi-passionate and you're interested in, you know, just not being conformed to one thing, then this is definitely a series that you should stay tuned at, because I'm just going to be showing you guys like the behind the scenes of my life, documenting my journey, my ups and downs. So it's not really perfect, and I don't want to bring you guys anything perfect because I'm still also going through that process. I'm learning, I'm relearning, and so yeah, it's just going to be a vulnerable part of me, but at the same time also I believe someone out there can be able to learn a thing or two from. So yeah, and also another thing, by the way, this series is actually connected to my LinkedIn. So if you guys are on LinkedIn, you can check me out. I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you can check out my LinkedIn newsletter. It's called the Portfolio Notes series as well. So it's the same name with this series here on YouTube. I didn't want to change it. So yeah, so like whatever it is that I'm going to be documenting here for you guys and actually sharing with you is exactly what is also going to be happening on my newsletter in form of an article. So if you're someone who loves articles, you love writing, blogging, then you might as well want to check out my blog. I'll just leave the link down below. So yeah, so basically that is it for this new series. I'm super excited, guys. I can't wait to share this journey or to walk this journey with you guys. I haven't yet decided when I'm going to be dropping this. I'm yet to decide because I still have also these other relocation playlists. So I still need to come up like with a proper YouTube calendar so that I can also be consistent, because I know at some point I keep like disappearing, but it's not intentional. It's just because there's a lot. Life has been lifing behind the scenes. So yeah. So anyway, that is it, guys. If you have any questions or any suggestions or anything really that you're interested in seeing or learning from this particular series, please feel free to drop your questions or your comments down below. I'll definitely respond to them. And you can as well connect with me on my Instagram, which will be over here. So yeah, so I cannot wait to see you in the next one. My name is Nicole Letaru, and I'm so excited to have you here.